Hey everybody, this is Nick with Botanical Wonderland. Today we've got a cool passion flower hybrid, passiflora Manta. It is a neat hybrid by my friend Maurizio, the great Italian hybridizer of passion flowers. One of its parent species is Zixoides, which has this really cool black ring on the inside of it. Roughly, we guess to mimic nectar. The parent plant provides no nectar, but still gets pollinated somehow. Awesome, beautiful species, tiny flowers, like I said, near black and yellow. Flowers in bunches and groups. Very neat little guy.